Hurry, hurry, hurry before my thing runs out.
Watch out.
Hey, Kellen.
Ready?
Nice. I like that Spark scooter. That's cool. Spark scooter. Nice. You got refills. You got like 2 refills for it. Collision. Kellen, you're doing good on that scooter. For you to say you didn't know how to ride one, you're doing good.